Thank you po sa PMPC Star Awards for noticing me po in the dollhouse. Thank you po sa parents ko po, kay Mama and Papa. Thank you po sa TWT family ko po, kay Daddy Jeff Mabubet. And sa Viva Artist Agency po, thank you so much po. Nagpapasalamat din po kay Daddy B and kay Tita Jamie for helping me sa dollhouse po. And kay Direct Marla din po. And sa MapX Production din po, kay Tita Sir Lucky. Maraming salamat po. Yun po, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino, and to God be the glory. Thank you!
Congratulations! Thank you. Pero kapag-white version. Congratulations na!
The star for the new movie actor of the year goes to Kai Flores, Sukat sa Tugon, Journal Entertainment Productions. Presenting the award is PNPC Auditor John Fontanilla.
Hello po, I'm Kai Flores. Speechless po ang pagbuwan po sa showbiz. Ang ginawa po yung sugat sa dugo, pandemic. Muntik na po akong sumuko sa showbiz kasi puntas ng karayong, dadaan ka, roller coaster. Sa mga idol ko po dito, Sir Baron. Maraming salamat PMPC, to my second family, Dragon Salvage Management, Miss Bobby Fuentes, Team Ariola, Bethlehem, and Montesa Medical Group, Sir Attorney Topacio Bracho. Maraming salamat po, sana mag-open po ng maraming doors para sa akin. Gaganyan ko po. Okay, mabuhay po. Mga pelikula, salamat po.
Congratulations!
And the star for the new movie actress of the year goes to Shira Tues, Dragon Entertainment Productions. Mr. Award, Mr. Romel Present.
I'm literally shaking right now, guys. Oh my God. First and foremost, I really want to thank God for this blessing. I'm really speechless din kasi as someone who's new to this industry, as in, grabe yung hard work din namin for Sugat sa Dugo. And I really want to thank our production, Sugat sa Dugo, kay Direk Tanyo Gali, and kay Miss Bami Fuentes and sa Dragon family ko. Thank you so much for being there for me. And of course, to my parents who are here right now, I want to say thank you so much and happy anniversary. And of course, to my friends, my family, to my tita who's also here for me, thank you so much. I'm really speechless and I'm really so thankful for this award. And thank you so much, PMPC. Thank you so much talaga. And to my friends, again, thank you sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin since day one. To support also, to boost my mental health, of course. And to my Net25 family and Star Center family, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.